this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
That's selfie stick. Hello, Gingerbread and Jelly Bean.
Hey.
These are all my schoolmates. She changed her hair again. So
You have something in your head.
those are the lovebirds. How's the Valentine's Day?
Good.
It was good? Lots of baby making and
What?
don't mind me, I know kids watch my vlogs, so it's PG. I keep my vlogs PG, but
All the time.
but where's Vonnie though?
Huh?
Vonnie. Like they kidnapped Vonnie, I guess. Vonnie, where are you? You need to show up at school or answer your phone or something.
Just go watch a vlog and be like, he's talking about me.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm talking about you. So what is vlog day, so?
When do you vlog?
So yeah, so I vlog. I make daily vlogs, like things I do on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Yeah, things I do on a daily basis. I give advice, I give tips, and all those stuff. So I just try to encourage people, motivate people, have fun, make them laugh. And,
Yeah.
So that's what my channel is about, just making people happy and
good.
enjoy me, as just a normal individual out there, just trying to make people, better. So that's what I do on my channel, JVLOGS. And people seem to really like it, and they're really interested, and stuff like that. So they really like
Yeah, I
it.
tried to vlog.
Yeah,
But it's weird. I still have my channel. I still have a video up. It's like an iMovie trailer.
Oh, okay. I use
So-
Adobe. I use Adobe to vlog and stuff like that.
But that was on my phone, so
Oh, yeah. That's where I started.
yeah.
That's where I started.
I mean, it's an iMovie trailer I made because I had no internet for a week, so it was just
Yeah.
out pictures and stuff.
Yeah, okay. That's cool. At least it's a start.
Yeah. Although that was like 2 years ago, so that counts as a start.
Okay. Well, it's nice. So I'm going to eat something right now because I'm hungry. So catch you guys later. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and we're here reporting to you guys. I messed up already? I touched my eye because I messed up?
No.
Oh, here's Gavin. This is who I'm talking to right now. Can they see you good? Is the lighting good? Alright, so.
No, you're supposed to say gummy bear and jelly bean.
Oh, hey, gingerbread and jelly bean. It's not gummy bear.
It's
It's gingerbread and jelly bean, boy. So I'm here with Gavin. The lighting is bad, but swing to this side, swing to that side.
Just get.
No man, the angle there is bad. The light, because light is coming from that angle and that angle, so it makes it dull. But if you come this angle, because the light, it's lower light here. Yeah, it's all in the. Alright. Nice. See that view? Once you get it in that frame, it's good.
Yeah.
So I'm here with Gavin. We're just chilling. We're late bugs. We reach school late, so we can't go into the classroom. But we're just here talking and stuff. Gavin was saying that it's a setup to talk about like females and relationship and stuff like that. Why is it a setup? It's a setup. So clearly he's.
If you say something wrong.
What did I say wrong?
Bad.
Wait.
And it's a setup. Because
Wait.
if you say something wrong, it's a setup.
Oh, but you can talk about them, but if you say something wrong, but that's the thing though, females, like you can just say like the simplest stuff and it's they take it the wrong way. That's what females are. I'm just saying, females are nice and everything, but
It's like you comment on some girl's eyes and she's like, what about my eyes?
yeah, they just I don't know, they're nice when they're supposed to be nice, but then they just fall off the cliff sometime and you're wondering what happened. But they're saying you can never like understand them, but Yeah, they seem cool, but I miss Bonnie though. I don't know. Have you heard from her?
Nope.
Haven't.
I think she's been working lately.
She's working. But have you seen her on Snapchat or anything like that?
No. I haven't been on Snapchat in like a
Yeah,
minute.
me too. I've been so busy. Sorry about that if I'm not watching all you snaps. Well, not many of you are on Snapchat. Jada, Erica, you're on Snapchat. You guys follow my vlogs.
And
you
me.
guys subscribe. Gavin is on Snapchat. Go over there. Give them your Snapchat so they can add you.
SK8man97.
Alright, so skateboard guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Longboard's right there. If you want to show them. So, you know, you want to pick it up, show you.
Yeah.
You know.
His longboard.
Yep.
So yeah. He's the I think you're the only one at school that skates, right?
No, actually, I see a little bit of people here and there with longboards.
I've only seen one of the what's it called with the 2 wheels?
2 wheels.
Oh man. Yeah man, the
Oh, it's like a longboard, but it has 2 wheels.
no man, the 2-wheel thing that everyone's talking
Like-
about
like they
scooter, no, hoverboard.
Oh, hoverboard.
It's
yeah,
it's a 2-wheel scooter in it, but they call it hoverboard.
Yeah, they call it
But
that.
it doesn't hover. If it hovers, it's not going to touch the ground. You know, in the
No,
real sense.
they just call it a
hovering.
hoverboard
Yeah.
because you know when you're on it, it's like you're hovering. Like
Yeah, but it's not
can't
really.
just-
It's not really a hoverboard. It still has wheels. As long as it has wheel, it's not hovering. It's rolling on the ground.
I don't care.
But yeah.
They call it a hoverboard. Shit, I'm gonna call it a hoverboard.
Trust me, I'm feeling tired as hell. But
Yeah. I just longboard from Port St. Lucie all the way to Fort Pierce.
that's really
For Pura Vista.
promote. Oh
Pura Vista all the way to
So is it-
IRC College.
On US one?
US 1.
Yeah, you took US one, right?
No,
you
I
took
took
shortcut.
25th all the way down.
Wait, 25th?
25th all the way down.
Oh yeah, that's a good distance down though. Well, that's good.
Yeah, think.
Yeah, but his wife is coming out soon.
He's not lying.
This supposed to be like 8 minutes long, the vlog. So I have to cut some part of it. Just to cut it down. As I do the vlog, I make it short, but interesting. So I try to get as much stuff in 8 minutes as possible, which is hard. But I guess the shorter the vlog, the more interesting it is, the more people would want it. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep that level of consistency, keeping it at at least 7 to 8 minutes. But sometimes it goes longer than that, and then people don't look at it. I think they are
The next thing we're gonna vlog about though, what do you prefer? Android or iPhone?
That's actually a BlackBerry. See, he doesn't know phone. That's the first mistake he
The
made.
reason why I say Android is because it takes an Android charger.
No, but BlackBerry, it's a BlackBerry.
It
Y'all know
still
I'm a
has to do with
BlackBerry guy.
Android though.
These people see my messages. Don't look at my message. Yeah,
It was
but-
black.
Yeah, it's a BlackBerry.
Okay, look. This is why I say it's an Android. Android, you have your, hold on.
Now, there's
Go
no
back to your
back-
homepage.
There's no back button.
Go to your homepage.
That's my homepage.
That's
here.
your homepage?
Yeah.
And then there's your apps right there.
Yeah.
Okay? That's Android.
No, it's not. It's BlackBerry.
Apple, you have your homepage, and your homepage is your app, like where everything is.
Because Android is, Apple is dumb. Apple is dumb. We all know this. They just charge it. They just make the device and charge you a ton of money for some. And they don't even have a proper file manager to manage your files and stuff. But yeah. All right, guys. We're going to go now because we're not talking about anything.
Yeah,
it's
but
tired.
iPhones and
BlackBerry.
Androids.
BlackBerry. Well,
BlackBerry.
there's a BlackBerry Android called the Priv. Go and check it out. Type in PRIV or BlackBerry Priv, and you'll find it. All right.
Peace.
Later, people. Gone.